Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm out with Kevin. Hi Kevin.
Greetings.
We are out with the 2026 Can-Am Defender Max Limited, and Kevin is installing the WD Electronic Street Legal / Turn Signal Kit on it. Part number TSK-2013. So I want to discuss a little bit about what's going to happen here with the WD kit. So currently, the WD kit is going to use these tubes right here in order to function. We do not have the signature light replacement kit available yet for this machine. Hey Kevin, will you turn that on for us?
Yeah.
So the strip here, as you can see, is illuminated, does look well. Go ahead and turn the turn signal on there. Very nice, very nice. So you can either A, be happy with this kit, or B, put on this kit for now, and at some point I am being told from WD that they will have the signature light replacement version, and you could undo this tube kit and replace it with that signature light. Kevin does not have it tied into the stock tail lights in the back yet, and we have attempted to tie into the turn signals up on the dash. And what are we reporting there, Kevin?
So yeah, the stock dash has turn indicator lights built in, but the wiring has a positive and a ground going to the lights that we have had to use that came with the kit, that just tapping straight off of the positive side of that cable to the dash indicator lights, they wouldn't function. It wouldn't work without grounding. So we've had to do away with hopefully that working and go with just the dash indicator lights that came with the kit.
So you guys will be able to install those anywhere you would like. This is a great suggestion that Kevin has installed them at. Looks good, functions good, it works, you know, so you're not that guy going down the road with his turn signals on. There is a little bit of carving that goes on the side of the steering wheel here. It does come with a little template to make sure you get it done right, but there's the kit. Down will be left, up will be right. Again, there's that right indicator there. The dash is very accessible once you get it popped open. Looks like it is going to be a little bit time consuming to get the kit put in, but we'll report back and do a full walk around video when Kevin gets it all finished up here. We still got to take this chase wire and get all the way to the back. Currently he's got the center tunnel area all gutted, if you will, and it's always fun on the first one just trying to figure out how to do it. And of course, along the way we do learn a lot. They do provide with full color instructions from WD. They do a great job with their instructions, as you can see there. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We do have these kits in stock as of right this minute. How long they're going to stay in stock, I have no idea. As soon as we post these videos, we'll be sending them out the door as fast as Katie can get them out. But there will be a link in the description below where you can go and place your order online with us today. Have a great day, everybody.